How to use CapCut video editing for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with CapCut as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now you can edit videos for your professional or personal use using CapCut because they have such a powerful tool, and you can use this for YouTube videos, Instagram videos, advertisements, or university projects, or just some personal home videos. So all you need to do is head on over to CapCut.com. Then you can take a look at their different tools. They even have other tools like text-to-speech, effect and filters, trendy music, and sound effects that you can add to your videos as well. Now, CapCut has two versions. You can either choose to open CapCut in your browser or download this for your specific device. So I'm using a MacBook, so it's going to download for my MacBook, or you can download this for your Microsoft Windows PC as well. Now, I do have the CapCut application over here, so I will just open this up. Now, it's pretty much the same on the application and on the browser, so depending on whether or not you're feeling like downloading the application, you can choose to, just open the browser and use this, or use the application version over here. So now this is the browser version of CapCut, and if I open up this version, so this is the application version, and I can just click on start creating, and this will open up the application version. So it's pretty much the same thing, just you get, a overall just detailed version of the entire thing. And if you're a frequent video editor, then using CapCut on the application version might be a bit helpful or, easier for you. The first thing you want to do is import your media, so you can add, any kind of files to this. Now I'm going to choose to use the desktop version because I know a lot of you guys are not going to have the application right now. So you can go onto the desktop version or the browser version and simply click on blank canvas. So you can choose a blank canvas, or you can choose a specific size of videos that you're looking to create. So if you already have in mind, let's say I want to create Instagram posts or LinkedIn ads or YouTube ads, so you can choose the frame size of that specific thing as well. So let's say I want to create a Instagram story ad. So for that, I will just click on Instagram stories, which are 9:16, which is the aspect ratio for almost all kinds of, mobile devices. So Instagram Reels, TikTok ads, TikToks, all of that is going to be around 9:16 ratio. So this will open up a simple frame. Now on my frame, I can begin uploading items from my computer to actually add. So let's say I want to open up this video over here. Then on the left side of your screen, you're going to find this navigation panel. And from your navigation panel, you can actually go on ahead and choose stock videos as well. So you have a list of stock videos that you can choose from like this. So you can see there are quite a few different options for you available, and you can just enter these videos onto the timeline over here. So clicking on this, green add button will enter the video on your timeline, and then you can add this or remove it if you want. So you can do a right click to delete the video. And let's say I want to add this over here. So this is actually, the background noise or noise of this specific video. So you also have these videos with noise or without noise. So if you have the end, so make sure you check that out as well. So first off, I'm going to add this basic stock video, and then I'm going to search for videos, and I'm going to search for hi. Now you can see there are quite a few different kinds of videos available in the stock videos. You can choose another platform as well to browse your stock videos and add them as you go. So this is what our first item is looking like. So what I'm going to do is for the video clip. Now this is a simple one. I will add a more detailed one later on, like this one. So I will add this now, so you guys can better see or understand the different editing features that they have. So I've added this video over here, and now you can see it's appearing on the bottom of my screen for how long the video is. I can choose to shorten the video or crop the video like this. That is one option. Or you can click on the video. So click on this video clip, and you will see the size, the position, the blending over here. Then you also have your speed. So you can choose to increase the speed, and once you increase the speed, the duration is also going to be reduced. You can also simply enter the duration that you want the clip to be. So let's say I want this clip to be appearing for only 3 seconds. So what I will do is I will just enter 3 seconds over here, and it will automatically adjust to the speed that it would be 3 seconds for. So the speed at which the duration will come to 3 seconds like this. So just like that. You can also choose to clip the video like so to reduce, the overall size of the video like this. Like so, you can choose, different clips and items. Now you can choose the speed, you have basic video editing like the size, position, and you can also choose to, enter a different background or remove the background to only appear. So, it only appears as a cutout instead of, instead of appearing as the entire image like you would on any kind of thumbnails. A lot of people do thumbnails like this, so you can even do videos like this. So just, doing some automatic recognition of portraits, and that is how it functions. It isn't a, super detailed version, but it is pretty good and a decent version considering how it is available for free. So this allows you to, if you have recorded a video in portrait mode, you can add a green screen background or a different kind of background as well. So I'm just going to remove this because I was just showing you guys the feature. But after that, you have the background, such as the frame background. So you can see these are frame lines that I have. So what I can do is I can click on the background, and you have colors, you have none. You can add a format, so you can add, these cute little images or frames over here. Then you can also choose to enter your own kind of background. So if you want to add just a blurred version of the item that you have uploaded, you can also choose that. I just want to add a simple colored one, so I will just enter a black color. Then after that, you have, these basic items. So we've added, our basic little video, and I will add another video just to show you guys the different features. So once you have added, your videos, you can also choose turn off the audio. Now, after that, you can choose to silence any of your video clips. So you can choose the video clip and you can click on the bottom left over here to silence your clips as well. After that, you also have delete functions, you have reverse functions. So if you want to reverse a video, then you can choose to reverse it as well, and it will appear in reverse. So it will reverse it frame by frame. It takes a little bit of time, so it might take a couple of minutes depending on the length of your video. So that is something to keep in mind as well. After that, you have your audio section. So in your audio section, you have a bunch of different audios that you can enter into your video. And you can simply do this by clicking on the plus icon over here. And then you can choose the volume level. And we're just going to zoom out over here. We're going to crop our audio first. And then we're going to zoom back into our frames like so. And then after that, what I'm going to just do is I'm going to place it right at our video, and then you have the volume, how you want to adjust that, the fade in and fade out duration, if you want to add any kind of effect, and the speed of your audio. Then below that, you have some basic text features. So you can add some basic default text like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus icon, and you're going to move the text on top of the video section. So I want to place the text on the person waving their arms. So I just want to place the text on that section. So I will only expand the text block to that section. And now I will click on the text block. I will change it from the top right over here to say whatever I want. So I will say hello world, and I will choose the font of my choice. So let's say I want this one. Then you can choose the color of the text. Let's say I want it in black. Then you can choose how you want it to appear. And now we can preview the text like so how it's going to look like. And let's say I want to keep it simple. And you can choose a different font. You can just preview your font as you go as well. And then you have the blending, the shadows, all the other basic text effects. And then if you go into the effects section, you have, the artistic effects and animations as well from the top. So on the animation section, you can find all of the different ways that you can make your text pop up on your screen, how you want it to be. So let's say I just wanted to do a simple roll in or dissolve down, whatever it might be. And I'm just going to enter this. And just like that, I have my video ready. Now, after that, you can choose to export your video simply by clicking on the top right over here. And you can export it after you log in, and it's free to log in and sign up as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.